Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. It's fall here, or autumn, whatever you want to call it, and I love comfort food. So I decided to make up this incredible meatball soup with a combination of spices, pasta, veggies. You're just going to love this. You got to make it. So let me walk you through this. I'm going to kick things off here by making our meatballs. So what I've got here is about a pound or half a kilo of ground beef. You can use lean, whatever you like. An egg. A tablespoon of Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and some minced garlic. Or you can use those cloves. So I'm just going to put these in. A tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now this is totally optional, but I like it. And we're just going to mix this up. Okay, after everything is mixed up, I'm going to grab a fairly large ice cream scooper and make sure it's full. And place this in the palm of my hand. And I'm going to roll this into a ball. Something like this. And I'm going to set these aside in a baking tray, lined with some parchment paper. They smell good and they're not even cooked. So this mixture will give you about 10-11 balls depending on the size. These are golf ball size. So I'm going to slip this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius preheated oven for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, the meatballs are nicely done. So I'm just going to set these aside while we're making our soup. So to make the soup, I'm going to add some olive oil to a preheated pan. And this is kind of over medium-high heat. Add in my veggies. And what I've got here is a small chopped carrot, a small chopped onion, and 2 stalks of celery. And just saute them until the onions are fragrant. After sauteing about 3 or 4 minutes, I'm going to add in 3 cups of beef stock and about 750 grams of diced tomatoes. And of course, I'm going to salt and pepper this to taste. And you know me, I'm a pepper lover, so I'm going to add quite a bit. And we're just going to stir this and bring it to a boil. So after a boil, I'm going to add in our meatballs and a cup of macaroni pasta. And of course, give this a stir. Cover and simmer for about 10 minutes till the pasta is tender. After about 10 to 12 minutes, just look at this, guys. It just looks so yummy and delicious. All right, let's go ahead and serve this up. Oh, this just smells and looks incredible. I'm going to go ahead and garnish this up with some freshly chopped parsley. This looks and smells incredible. And there you have it, guys, our meatball soup. So let's go ahead and give this a taste test. I'm going to start with the broth. And the meatball. And some veggies. That's incredible. You gotta make this. It's flavorful, it's hearty, great for fall. You're gonna love it. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and see you next time.